Hey you, we're gonna make some cocoa today. The way I make it because it tastes really good. It's simpler. You have a little more control over what you're doing. So basically, I take cocoa. Now I buy cocoa. Now I've got some cocoa that I bought from a bulk place, and I put it in a commercial brand container, but it's actually not the commercial brand. The stuff I got here, I can show you in the light, is a very dark cocoa, and I just like the flavor. So here's an example. So there's the commercial brand that I grew up with. This is some of the dark stuff I get that's in my tin from a bulk place near me. There's all kinds of cocos that you can get. That's about a tablespoon. I did 3 of these little guys. Now I'm going to use some brown sugar. This is, I believe, Demerara sugar, because I like it. And again, about a tablespoon of each is in there. Now, it's pretty simple. I take some water. Right now I've got hot water in here. Now I'm going to do just enough to cover both of those. And I want to stir them together. You stir them now, and they'll actually stir. If you fill the whole thing up with liquid, you don't always get a good stir. So I'm going to get in the light here, and you can see, like up there's a bit of cocoa. I'm just going to mash it together. So I've put about a tablespoon of each in here. I really like chocolate, so I've gotten a dark chocolate. I'm going to go about half a cup of hot water. Why? I just like it this way. You can do as much water or as little water as you want. And then I do milk. Now, I like creamy, so I like milk. I'm going to use cow milk in mine because that's just something I like. We cover this up so we don't go selling someone's milk that we didn't mean to sell. Now, you can use other kinds of milk. There's all kinds of things out there. This, I believe, is almond milk in here, but you could use oat milk. You could use soy, whatever you want. You've got options. So I warm this up. So this is about half, so I put about a cup of milk in here. I warmed it in the microwave. So 1 cup is about 2 minutes to get a cup of water boiling. A little less for milk, like 1.5 minutes to get a cup. So this is about a half cup. So I used 1 minute of heat on that. And so I just pour it in. So it's already, I've stirred it so the clumps are out. So now it's just getting it nice and milky and creamy. And I'm going to top it up with hot water because it's easy. You could get more milk if you wanted to. You can put whipped cream if you want. But I'm kind of a purist. I like just cocoa at night. Or if I'm hungry and I shouldn't be eating, it actually is a nice snack to get rid of your appetite a little bit. But you wouldn't, if you're getting to eat really healthy, don't use real sugar. Use, there's some nice sugars that you can use. Stevia is a good one. And I think there's monk fruit. Those are good ones without getting your system going in the way that it's going to get all excited because you've had sugar. That's perfect. That is perfect. Enjoy.